Oh yeah, I did find the hair dryer was in this drawer. A couple of things. And the other thing was, check out this phone. It's from 1996, but it looks like it's from 1966. Even crackles. Sorry, the year you dialed is not in service. Gangway right there. I'm moving towards it. Oh, that was a mess. Not sure what happened there. Wasn't the most smoothest disembarkation process that we've ever been through, where we got off the ship and onto the hotel. All the carousels. This says 2. We're on 1 though. We're number 1 down here. Carousel number 1. That's it. Let's go. All right, out of there. Carnival Celebrations next door, but okay, no way I can get a picture of that. Just waiting for the Uber. Post number 9 is prearranged ground transportation and where you get the Ubers. The main entrance is over there, and we came out over here. So when you come out, take a quick right, and ground transportation for Ubers and left should be right there. Room 1806 at the COURTYARD by Marriott in Coconut Grove, Florida, just south of Miami. This is the one bedroom suite, and we've been here for 1 night. Really nice, lots of room. As you walk in, you get the kitchen table right here, dining room table, a couple of lamps, coffee set up over there with a mirror. Bedroom's down that way with a bathroom on the right. Interesting lamp. Nice big living area. It's really large. I can't explain to you how large this is for a hotel room. It's really nice. The floor's all laminate, so it's all been renovated recently. I think it was renovated during the pandemic. It's a big couch with the shades on the end, and then underneath the cushion is a pull-out bed. It looks to be at least a queen. It's very beachy vibe in here, very beachy feel. These nice chairs here, which don't tell anybody we took them on the balcony because they're a little nicer than the chairs they have out there. Big screen TV with, Phil C at Sea on right here on YouTube. That's our trip to Belize. There we are, look at that. From the Celebrity Apex, go look at that video, link it above. Nice big workstation here, the lamp, lots of plugs everywhere, lots of plugs. Again, with the beachy feel and behind with the wood, and the refrigerator down below. I'm not sure if there's any more outlets down there. Yeah, a couple of outlets down there. And then, like I said, lots of outlets around the room. The AC unit's over here. I think it's a smart AC unit. I think it does. It says occupied. So I think that when you're not in the room, it probably goes into some kind of sleep mode. So be aware of that. And you might want to watch it in the night, maybe switch it to cool if you want it cool, because I think it does shut itself into some kind of eco mode. One of the nicer things about this room is, as you come over here, I'll give you the grand reveal. Look at this view. Quite the view. Now, there is some construction going next door. It's happening right at this second. I was out earlier, and I can't hear a thing in this room, so it's super quiet. And it's quite loud outside. But a really nice view of the marina. There's an apartment next door also. But even when they build these two units on both sides, you still get a good view from this room. And down below, there's a swimming pool, nice big sun deck, a couple of lounges in each corners, round loungers. We sat down there yesterday, it was nice. Little different situation with the towels. I just go to the front desk and ask for some towels, and they were just white towels. I think you can see some white towels down there. There was nothing really special about them. Lacking a few amenities in the hotel perhaps, but overall quite nice. I would stay here again. Coming outside here, there's this side, there's a door that leads to the balcony. And the balcony is also accessible from the bedroom. It comes with a table and 4 chairs. I think you can probably notice the difference in noise out here. Huge balcony. There's somebody to the left of you that's recessed back, and there's somebody above you. So they can look down into your balcony also. Most of it's covered, but some of it's not. There was 2 tables here. One we put over there, just slides in. Standard coffee machine. Nothing special there. This area is a little weird. One of the chairs was here originally. That's where the AC return is, I believe. But we just put our luggage there. I'm not sure what you'd use this for. If you had a pull-out couch, I guess or a pull-out bed. If you had a full roll-away bed, you could put it there. I guess use those little den. Nice big full-size mirror here. Another closet. I won't show you inside because there's nothing in there except the one up front. This is the bathroom. It's a lighted mirror. You have the towels down below and the Kleenex as usual. The soap dispensers are in the shower. Soap, it's body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. And nice shower, good pressure, nicely done, all modern. And I think you'll notice that the lighting in here is fairly bad. That's the one thing I did say. There's no light above the shower, and there's no light in the toilet area. It's just this light behind the mirror. So it's not a very bright environment. That's one thing to consider. Other than that, it was great. Very small sink, but it's deep, so it doesn't splash up. Yeah, there's another power outlet there, and another power outlet there too. So then we'll go into the bedroom. So in here, it's just basically a plain closet. Good place maybe to store luggage. Almost feels like there's a few things maybe missing here, because it's so new. It feels so new. Look at this bedroom. It's amazing. Behind the door, you got a nice closet. There's a hair dryer. Lots of drawers. On this side, you got some hanging space. Place to put your luggage. Ironing board and iron. And over here behind this door, I thought it was another bathroom, but it's not. It's a big walk-in closet. Now there's no, this is what I meant, there's no real hangers in here. But, what a huge closet. Could even be a second bedroom. Is there a light? Oh, there is a light. Could be a little bedroom for a kid. Extra blankets. Maybe a pillow folded up in there. Nice decor. Very fresh, beachy feel. You have 2 USBs, one on each side of that lamp, and also a 120 right there. Again, lots of space, drawers, everything feels new. Nice bed. Haven't slept on it yet. big screen TV. Oh, the switch of the door controls the lights. Over there also, it's a master switch. Nice TV. Anybody wants to know about the jacks, here they are in the back. Got 2 HDMI and 2 USB jacks there. And some RGB back there. In case anybody wants to plug something in. I'm not sure if there's Netflix on there yet. I'll figure that out. And again, 2 USBs. Kind of the old style. It's still an old school phone. I guess hotels don't refurbish their phones very often. Remote. Oh, it's got Netflix, so must be a smart TV. Nice paneling in behind. It's the same paneling that's over there behind the TV. It looks so nice. And then of course this. Look at this. Huge, huge bay view patio. Just massive. With a sliding door here. Look at this. And then the door from the living room over there. That's crazy. Oh my God, it's hot out there. I hope you enjoyed this room tour of room 1806, 18th floor, 1-bedroom suite at the Courtyard by Marriott in Coconut Grove, Florida, just south of Miami. It's a great spot for a pre-cruise or post-cruise stay. Lots of restaurants in the area. Coco Walk is down the street, and the hotel has been renovated and refurbished recently. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of future videos. Share it with somebody you like, and don't forget, stay safe and be nice to each other.